So this wasn't expected, so bear with the quality. This is just being recorded on my phone. Now, you may wonder where we are. We've actually come to view a very, very large unit. Jack's running around because there's so much room. We're going to show you around this quickly, so we may not release this video, we may. We'll decide, but the building itself is damn big. So to put it into perspective, the unit we're currently in is 1,200 square foot. This one is 12,000 square foot. So we are looking to upgrade. Again, if I'd have known we was going to record this, I'm so happy. I'd have bought the camera, but again, I've got my phone, so we're just going to have to deal with that, unfortunately. So, first things first, many entrances to this place. We're not at the very start. However, we're at one end of the unit. It's kind of like in a U, so we'll go and show you some bits through this. Now, Jack's just going to hold that for me. Thanks. So here, we've got, through this door, you can come through here, and there's a entrance. Oh, actually no, there's a toilet in that one. But there's an entrance here as well. Down here, we've got a mezzanine upstairs. Through this section, another little office, dead end, another toilet, exit. So we go back through this way. We're gonna need a map. Shutter, which is important. So we've got one. We've got this section here, which has kind of been built. The other people had that. We could probably use that as a clean room for engine forging and building and stuff. However, we go around. There's other entrances on the other sides. Got this section here. Yes, that is part of it, but we'll get to that. Now, this is just a little cubby hole for when the apprentice is very naughty. There's a chair here, look, so you can stay in there as well. Now, this bit here is like a little office as well at the same time. Yeah, so I think we'll probably, if we get the place, use customers. Use this for customers to sit around.
You trying to hold my hand?
No. Yes, we may be getting this place. It's on the thoughts. We've kind of expanded, and we need a lot more room. And this is one of the options. Like all our units all together, if we was to get another one, would be the rent on this place. So you know where we're thinking. So let's get back to the tour. I'm probably not going to edit this. I'm just probably going to add the intro on. So kitchen, fit kitchen, and Jack's new friend. Made you jump. So again, we've got another shutter here. It's like I said, it's kind of in a U shape, so it goes like this and then back up. Now, this has got the shutter in, it's got the lowered light in, it's got all the bits in that you need. These can be raised up so we can get a few ramps in and everything else. We do have plans for this if we are to take it. Again, you've got to have goals as well. So right here, we've got a big office. So this is large. You can see outside the space, so you can see there it goes around in a U shape. It's very big. We're not even halfway. And I'm out of breath. Fat man's going to lose weight walking around here. So we've got fire exits at the back as well. Like I said, this isn't ours as it stands, but we are looking to get this. We're going to go through here. So this is another shutter. Obviously, there's higher lighting and stuff in here, which again, it's all UV, hence the flickering. Not UV, LED, so hence the flickering. Yeah, stupid. But we've got another shutter here, so we've got a total of 4 shutters, which is great. We can have a designated area for our own projects. Now, there's a room for ramps. There's all the circuit breakers and everything else as well in there if we need to use them. So that's great as well at the same time. So if we, I'm lost. Yeah, that's. So this goes to the garden. There is many doors, but you can see the space is huge. I mean, it's massive. So out here is the garden. It needs.
You can't see how long it is.
Yeah, it needs.
I'll lock that you show them because the door's going to shut and we'll lock that.
Thanks. So yeah, it is quite large. It does need some tending. Again, sorry for the wind. Like I said, we didn't really plan on recording it, but you can kind of see how long that was, the whole building. But again, sorry about the shaking. It's probably going all over the place. So there's circuit breakers and everything else everywhere, which is great. We have There's light switches. Oh, that's heater. That puts the heater on. Do that one again. Why are we running to the heater when it's like red hot? Well, it's gonna do, Jack. God, somebody's... Oh, that is hot. Somebody's gonna think we're doing something else in here. Yeah. So obviously this is the entrance we came in. Not that one, because that's a fire exit, but this one. The other side of this, we've got parking for about 20 cars. And then we've also got the parking at the front as well, which is great. So this is the other side. We're probably going to use one of these corners for our own projects, aren't we? So we're going to have a ramp here designated for our own stuff. Again, you should probably know as well why as we're saying this, that was probably way too close, but we are going to have to start employing people. So maybe some jobs here for Stuartos. Now this is where all the magic happens, in here. So this is comes with the toilet paper. That's just like gold. That's what? Oh, God's sake, not again. God. But yeah, this is mad. It's huge. It's ginormous. There's plenty of room for us to do what we want to do. I know we could do dynos in here. We could literally do everything. We was on about using, I mean, this area for our own personal stuff is huge. Like if we was to use this area for our own personal stuff, then there'd be no issues. We kind of want the ramp on its own, so we don't have to keep moving stuff off the ramp as we are now. But yeah, that's one section. Another section. Through another section, eh?
There's like 4 sections, isn't there?
Yeah, there's 4 main bits. So this bit we may use for, I don't know. General stuff, but saying it though, it's good for the ramps and that, isn't it? For the height.
Yeah, this one.
Through here, well, we're going to have to take this off, because that's irritating.
Yeah,
These will have to be lifted up as well, massively.
That one can probably stay there.
The one problem we're going to have to figure out is where we're going to have the main entrance for people, because there's not a door in here, this section, but
It's going to be that one over there.
yeah, there is a door here, so we could actually use that one. In all honesty, we could probably get permission to
into the office.
yeah, but we could get permission to take this out and put one of the thingy windows in, you know, for customers and stuff.
What sliding window?
Yeah, but obviously then people will be able to sit in a designated area, which we're going to obviously set up, sofas, all that sort of stuff while people wait. Coffee machine, you know, Rusty Auto's air fresheners, that sort of stuff. But don't injure yourself. So yeah, it's quite a big place. As you can see, we're walking through. The place is ginormous, to be fair, isn't it? So the idea was use the 2 main bits for general mechanics, so like the wrapping and all that sort of stuff, not wrapping. We're going to use the Sutton unit for that maybe, or we're just going to leave that, we'll see what happens. We're kind of more onto the engine forging, aren't we, at the minute? But we're going to have one area for building, so engine forging, maybe 2 areas, it depends how much we actually get in, because at the minute we're rammed with that.
I've kind of got an idea.
Yeah. Oh, okay, tell me later. But then these 2 sections may be the general mechanics, so this bit and the other bit. Again, we're going to have to employ people. And then the bit right on the end will be for our own personal projects. It's either that or we switch them things around. We have this as our own little personal projects, because Jack can sit up there and pretend he's a pirate.
We're doing a remake.
No, don't do it. Don't do it, Jack. Don't do it. Don't do it. God damn it. Okay, just for you. Just for you.
What do you want? Where do you want?
You know what? Do it. Too late. It's on. Right, so my phone's probably going to die in about a few seconds. So like I said, if I'd have known we was recording it, would have bought the camera. This may not be the one. We may get something different as well at the same time. But we'll see. We're going to keep looking. We're not going to jump straight in. But we've got plans. You've got to have plans when you get a new place. So we're going to leave that here. We're going to decide. Jack's going to tell me his many plans. You can hear the shutter rattling as well, but this place is huge. 12,000 square foot. Can we afford it? Yes. Is it going to be great? Yes. Is it good, yes. So as well at the same time, just want to say a massive thank you to you all, because this would not be possible, would it, without them?
No.
It really wouldn't. Like, so genuinely thank you for all of you coming for your forges, supporting the channel, watching the videos. This is because of you guys. We actually get to do something we enjoy, and we end up being bosses. So that's great. Right. So thank you guys, honestly, seriously, very, very much. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Again, sorry for the shakiness. Peace.